Best deals. 1. Cookware. Made with extra thick tri-ply stainless steel, it delivers even heat and resists burning. The green ceramic-coated exterior is easy to clean, built to withstand high heat. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pan. Crafted with pressure die-cast technology, this frying pan offers the perfect balance of strength, even heating, and lightweight handling. From sizzling stir-fries to hearty breakfast hashes, the pan with glass lid empowers you to unleash your culinary creativity. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pan. It is offered with stay cool, natural, comfortable rosewood handles fixed on sturdy stainless steel brackets which are permanently riveted to the pan. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tawa. Premium non-stick coating reduces oil use and prevents sticking, making cooking effortless. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pot. Features a unique curved body design, which allows for easy stirring of even the most challenging dishes. Made with an extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction, also retains heat exceptionally well and ensures even cooking, eliminating hot spots. Equipped with comfortable, stay cool handles. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tope. Crafted with 100% food-grade stainless steel, thick aluminum base prevents hot spots for consistent cooking. Smart stackable design protects cookware and saves kitchen space. Perfect balance between cookware size and grip for comfortable control. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spin mop. A perfect blend of style and comfort, this popular cleaning tool comes with stainless steel wringer, big wheels, and a puller handle to help you clean every area in the house effortlessly. Comes with 2 PCS big wheels and puller to easily carry the bucket around the house. Makes home cleaning effortless and easy. Lightweight and adjustable stainless steel mop handle reaches corner of the house, like under the table, below the bed, very easily. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cookware. Is made of tough construction with a 3-layered bottom of 8 mm thickness, it is easy to clean and maintain. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. Made from the finest quality stainless steel, that maintain the freshness of your food. The double wall insulation keeps your meals warm, allowing you to enjoy the flavors just as they were when lovingly prepared. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Kadhai. With the space saver, stackable design of these pans fit perfectly within each other, freeing up valuable space in your kitchen cabinets. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning and storage with the Kadhai's no rivets design. Experience easy pour functionality with the no drip flange, allowing you to pour or slide food without spilling. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Casserole. Is designed with a finer grade of ceramic coating which is of light ivory color and gives a smoother finish. This formulation is uniquely designed to not stain even with Indian recipes, and is scratch resistant, and stain resistant for hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kadhai. The non-reactive surface ensures your food retains its natural taste without unwanted reactions. Ideal for curries, gravies, frying, searing, or snacks, this Kadhai handles high heat effortlessly and cooks evenly every time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casserole. It can be used for cooking, reheating food, serving and storing. It has an elegant red-colored lid with a stay-cool knob. The lid speeds up cooking, tenderizes food. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cooker. Has a unique body with rounded sides for easier stirring. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Kadai. Features a 3-layer construction, with an inner layer made of food-grade stainless steel for healthy cooking, a middle layer of encapsulated aluminum for even heat distribution, induction and gas-friendly. Designed for faster and more efficient cooking, the tri-ply technology features a thick aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. This ensures even heat distribution with no hot spots. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Manual milk frother is made of stainless steel, which is sturdy and hygienic, and the surface of which is more bright. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dosa tawa. Pure iron ore material heats quickly and also promotes even heating throughout the tawa body. Simple seasoning technique helps create a chemical-free non-stick surface over a period of time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Kadai. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. Even heat distribution ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Chopping board is made from a softer grade of steel that is designed to be gentle on your knives, ensuring that they remain sharp, and is built to withstand heavy-duty use, making steel cutting board a reliable addition to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Glass jars. Made from premium clear glass that is non-reactive, dust-resistant, and safe for all food items. Comes with a rust-free silver stainless steel lid for hygienic, long-lasting use. Perfect for snacks, spices, masala, pickles, cookies, and dry fruits. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Storage box. Have 4 compartment, it can put a variety of foods together without confusion in kitchen or fridge or refrigerator. You needn't to take them separately in your cupboard. You can get it all at once when you want to get sugar, nuts, biscuits. Freely removable partition will make the food storage containers rational usable. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kadhai. It is preferred for heavy gauge, and a good balance that makes cooking easy and the results delicious. Experience comfort and convenience like never before with the Stay Cool plastic handle, ensuring a secure grip and comfortable maneuverability. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Frying pan. Experience cooking perfection with less wear and tear, thanks to the PFOA-free non-stick coating reinforced on tri-ply stainless steel. You can confidently use metal utensils without fear of damaging the surface. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Fry pan is engineered for culinary excellence, achieving professional results every time. Featuring a robust tri-ply stainless steel construction, this pan ensures that food cooks evenly without sticking or burning. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Grater. Features 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for efficient slicing and grating. Its precision food grip securely holds everything from cheese to veggies. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Chopper. Simply cut the fruits or vegetables to a medium size before placing them in the chopper and get an evenly chopped version for your salads, fruits, sabzi preparations and other cooking purposes. The 3 stainless steel chopping blades ensure clean and hassle-free cutting of fruits and vegetables with minimal effort. Cut the vegetables or fruits in smaller pieces at first and then put them into the bowl. Hold the lid with one hand and pull the handle with the other hand to chop the food as your desired size. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Pot. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Wok. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether preparing pancakes and eggs, the pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Oil strainer. It features a fine mesh strainer that filters food particles, keeping oil fresh and waste-free. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Yogurt filter. Equipped with a premium 304 stainless steel mesh, this Greek yogurt maker works as a yogurt filter and strainer, ensuring smooth texture, protein-rich taste, and consistent results every time. Innovative design serves as both a yogurt strainer and yogurt strainer box. With its BPA-free container, it eliminates the need for cloth, giving you hygienic, hassle-free preparation of hung curd and yogurt. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Multi-kettle is designed to make your cooking experience easy, quick, and versatile. With a range of features tailored to enhance your cooking and boiling tasks, this electric kettle is a valuable addition to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Grinder. 3-liter stainless steel drum allows you to grind sufficient quantities for family meals, making it ideal for preparing idli, dosa, and vada batters. Includes top wiper for smooth grinding, spatula, dough hook, and additional attachments for versatile food preparation, wet grinder with compact, space-saving design and stable base with anti-slip feet for secure operation. Features high-quality stainless steel grinding chamber and robust motor housing in white finish, designed for long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Its stainless steel grinding chamber and durable grinding stones deliver superior results, producing silky smooth batters that rival those made by hand. This wet grinder operates on 230 volts power and comes with multiple components for easy maintenance and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Oil maker machine. Experience unmatched oil extraction efficiency with our Vishwas oil maker machine. Using advanced cold press technology, it maximizes oil extraction from a wide range of seeds and nuts, ensuring minimal waste and maximum output. Say goodbye to inefficient methods and enjoy a streamlined oil-making process that delivers superior quality every time. Perfect for home use, it's a must-have for those seeking fresh, pure oil with minimal effort. Crafted with precision, our oil maker machine guarantees consistent, high-quality oil output every time. Featuring a powerful 600W motor and robust, food-grade stainless steel construction, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. The carefully calibrated components work in harmony, providing a smooth and efficient oil extraction process, whether you are pressing sesame, peanuts, or other seeds. Expect optimal performance and quality with every use. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Sugarcane juicer machine. Strong construction facilitates easy cleaning and maintenance, adhering to stringent hygiene standards required for commercial food and beverage operations by this sugarcane juice machine. Built to withstand the rigors of commercial use, the sugarcane juice machine offers reliable performance, ensuring a consistent output of high-quality juice over extended periods. The manual operation preserves the authentic taste of sugarcane juice, delivering a refreshing and pure beverage experience that is sure to delight customers. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Backpack. Crafted from premium, lightweight polyester fabric, this backpack offers exceptional durability and water resistance, while the olive shade makes it extremely easy on the eyes. The easy-to-clean material ensures your backpack remains pristine, no matter where your journey takes you. Experience unparalleled comfort with superior back and sleeve padding, designed for extended wear. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Electrek Juicer is a high-class premium quality juicer that is best for extracting juices from your favorite fruits and vegetables. It is assembled with a powerful 350-watt copper motor for best results and 100% food-grade safe. Juicing can be a convenient way to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, providing essential nutrients in a tasty and easily digestible form. Wash all units above before every use. Keep pieces of fruits and vegetables handy, small enough to pass through the tube portion of the cover. Switch on the juicer. Put the pieces of fruits or vegetables in the tube and press them very lightly with the pusher. When the pulp container, juice collector is full, stop the machine, empty the pulp, juice out, reassemble the part and continue the process of juicing. To extract juice of citrus fruits like oranges, sweet lime, cut the fruit diametrically so as to expose the seeds. Peel off the skin and introduce the fruit with its seeds exposed into the juicer. The seeds will pop out automatically while the juice is being made. In this way, the seeds do not get crushed, thus keeping the juice from becoming bitter. Product link is given in the 36th link.